Hi guys, in this step-by-step video, I'm going to be showing you how you can dropship on Etsy from AliExpress. Now, first thing you need to know guys is Etsy focuses more on handmade products. So things that you have, like things that you are allowed to sell, uh, they have to be like all the products that you are going to list on your Etsy shop, they have to be related to handmade products. Okay, so you will have to sell something like that looks like it's handmade, because if you don't do that, if you sell, for example, let's go to AliExpress, and if you sell let's say that you sell something that is electronic, and it's clearly, it looks it's not like it's not handmade, your account will get banned. And that's the reason why a lot of people got banned, because they are listing random products from AliExpress to Etsy. Now you have to be very careful with that, and you have to sell only products that are handmade. So what you guys need to do, you want to go to Etsy. Now, like I said, I have been doing drop shipping for a very long time, so I have a lot of experience with drop shipping. Now what you guys need to do, you want to go to Etsy and you want to find products that you want to drop ship. Okay, just need to have an idea of what products you want to drop ship. Now me, I focus more on jewelries, handmade jewelries. You can search for them on AliExpress. I'm going to search, for example, handmade jewelry. Now as you can see, after you search for handmade jewelry, as you can see, there are a lot of a lot of suppliers that can make handmade jewelries. Okay, so as you can see here guys, for example, it's yeah, check this one. As you can see here, now this product looks like it's handmade, and it's not like, it doesn't take time to make this kind of products. Okay, so like Etsy will not ban your account because you are selling something that looks it's handmade. Okay, that's exactly what I mean. So you have to sell only things that are handmade, and get rid of electronics, or like Apple AirPods. Okay, you can sell the cases of the AirPods, but you can't sell the real like AirPods. Okay, because they are clearly, they are not handmade. Okay, they came from a company, and that's not what Etsy wants. Okay, they want you to sell only handmade products. Now if you have any questions, just let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. So you want to go to, like I said, to AliExpress and find products that look like they are handmade. For example, you can also go to Etsy and search, for example, for jewelries. Okay, for example, jewelry, and yeah, okay, so I'm going to search for jewelry here. And then what you guys need to do, you want to find products that you want to sell on your on your Etsy. Okay, so you want to find, you just need to have an idea of what you are going to sell. Okay, so for example, I'm going to sell this one. Okay, this is on Etsy. Okay, now this jewelry, I can find this exact jewelry on AliExpress, and I can list it on my Etsy. Okay, so of course I'm going to show you guys at the end of the video how you can select which country you have to select, because if you are dropshipping from China, you don't need to add your country. Okay, your real country, because like Etsy asks you for where the shop is located. They don't ask you about where you live. Okay, they care more, like if they ask you, for example, for a bank account, they will ask you for where the bank account is located, instead of like your local bank account. Okay, so you can have like a bank account in a different country, and also the shop location in a different country, and your address, your real address, in a different country. So Etsy has no problem with that. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys what I mean exactly. So here, as you can see here guys, this custom name necklace, you can just search for this exact product on AliExpress. And as you can see, I'm going to search for custom name necklace, and I will find a lot of as you can see, on AliExpress, on Etsy. Now this guy is drop shipping from AliExpress. As you can see, this exact picture, this is the exact picture here. As you can see, they are the same. This is from AliExpress, and this is from Etsy. So this is the exact same product, and the cost of this product is only $3, and he is selling it for $13 okay, so the profit margin is very high. Okay, so this is exactly what I mean. Okay, so to download pictures from AliExpress, you need to download this extension. It's called download AliExpress images. Okay, when I search on Google for download AliExpress images, and you want to download this extension, it's called AliSave. Okay, it's called AliSave. This extension will help you to download pictures from AliExpress. Okay, now that's exactly what you need. You need to go here and then pin the extension on the top. Now as you can see, here the necklace finish and length. Okay, so I'm going to, as you can see, it has like different variations, and all this was imported from AliExpress. Okay, now the size, as you can see, the necklace finish, the font style. Okay, you can like as you can see, stone color, metal color. As you can see, you can also change the metal color. Now you don't have to list the exact same item, okay, the exact same settings. As you can see, the colors, you can make this as you want. Okay, it doesn't really matter. As long as you are selling something that is handmade, there is no problem. Okay, so you can also search for other products if you want. Now after you download this extension that will help you guys download images from AliExpress, as you can see now, after you reload any, like after you go to any product on AliExpress, now you will see these 4 different options here that says main images, which to download the main images. Now you can easily download these images here. Just click on main images and you can start selling. Now keep in mind that you have to copy this exact title. So you want guys to list the item with this exact title because it's proven to work and it has many sales. Okay, so that's exactly what I mean. Of course, this one, as you can see, in the demand, 120 people bought this in the last 24 hours. So this product is proven to work. Okay, so people are buying this product, and what that means is this title is proven to work on Etsy. So you will have to customize this exact, like change this exact title, but make sure everything, like all the keywords here, like custom name necklace, 18k gold plated name necklace. You want to copy this, and you can also use ChatGPT to give you an alternative title, so you look like more professional, so you don't look like you just copied this title from this Etsy seller. You want to go to ChatGPT and you want to tell them, hi, I just tell the ChatGPT I would like an alternative to this title, like for example alternative to this Etsy title, and then 2 points, and then they will give you alternative, as you can see, personalized. As you can see now, it looks more professional because you just perfect gift for her. As you can see, ideal for birthdays and Mother's Days. Okay, so this is the alternative, guys, for this title. And then you want to just take this. Okay, it's a good title. And then you want to go to Etsy and you want to start selling. Okay, now you want to click here. If you haven't already created your if you haven't set up your Etsy seller, you can do that. Just click here where it says shop manager here. Okay, and click on shop preferences. Now I just created this new Etsy shop so that I can show you guys how you can set up your Etsy seller. Now here, as you can see, it says here shop location, so you will have to enter here the shop location. Okay, so now I'm going to dropship from United States because AliExpress offers guys items that are located in United States. Now I'm going to show you what I mean exactly. So I'm going to search here, for example, custom name necklace, and I'm going to select here United States. I want these products to be shipped from United States. Okay, now you can find all these products. For example, I'm going to go with okay, this one exactly. Okay, now this product will be shipped from United States. As you can see, shipping from United States, and they will pay $5, and the cost of the item is $3, and the shipping time is going to be so fast. Okay, I will not have a problem with Etsy or anything like that. Now I can then list this exact product on my Etsy shop, and then I will put the location of the store in United States. Okay, or you can select China if you want. Okay, if you want to ship from China, you can do that. Just be honest, okay? So don't add the country and you are shipping from a different country, because that will be against policies of Etsy, and you will probably like shut down your Etsy shop. Okay, so be very accurate, like be very honest and tell them exactly where you are going to ship these items from, because they say here shop country, and you will use it to, they will show this country to customers when they are trying to purchase the item from you. Okay, now the shop currency, I will select United States and then click save and continue. And the shop name your shop, you can also use Chat GPT to give you like different names that you can use on your Etsy shop. Just ask Chat GPT about I would like, for example, I would like a name for my Etsy shop. I sell, for example, I sell, let's say, handmade products. Okay, now it will give you different names that you can use. Okay, you can copy which name you want. Now after that, you want to go back to here and then paste it here, and then click on save and continue. Now it says a great job on your first listing. So as you can say, already listed products here. Now to list a product is very easy. Okay, it's not really that hard. So I'm going to delete this product, and I'm going to I'm going to click here on shop, stock shop, continue with okay, so I'm going to click on begin verifying to get started baking. Now you just need to verify all the your ID. Okay, make sure you use your real ID. Make sure, like I said, to use your real ID. And now you want to select the category, what you are going to sell, for example, rings or anything like jewelries. Let's, for example, necklace. Okay, I'm going to sell necklace. Okay, and here you have to select here if it's a physical item. Okay, if it's a physical item or a digital file. Now you want to select physical item, homemade it. Okay, so you want to select the member of my shop. Okay, or you're going to select here another company or person. And here, what is it? A finished product or a supply or tool to make things. Now here, when was it made? You want to select made to order, then click on continue, save and continue. You can also here select add production partners, so you can also add here the production partner, and also about the production, as you can see, what it does for you exactly. Okay, and also the state location of that production partner, which is going to be United States. Okay, and here, why are you working with this partner? I have outgrown my current production space, for example. Here I design everything, and you can tell them exactly anything here. For example, I collaborate with my production partner to design my products. What is this partner role in production process? They make component of my products. I do the rest. Okay, so after you add all these things, and after you add the production partner here, as you can see here, I'm going to add this production partner here, and then the location is going to be United States. Okay, here, for example, I'm going to select okay, so after you finish, guys, you want to then click on save, and as you can see, it has been added. Now I want to click on here where it says save and continue, and you want to add description of your item. Okay, now you can also go to AliExpress and copy their AliExpress description and go to ChatGPT and tell ChatGPT, hi, I would like an Etsy description based on this description that I got from AliExpress. Okay, That's exactly what you need to. Quantity, you want to add here 3. Okay, I always go with 3 for the first time. And if your item has different variations, you can do that. You can just click on add variations here, and here material, you can then go to AliExpress and see what is the material used to create this item. For example, could click on specification, and as you can see here, guys, material, it's going to be metal. Okay, so you can find all these information inside the or aluminium. And here you don't have to add all the specifications here. Primary color, I would go with like example here. Okay, let's go with yellow, okay, or gold. I'm going to go with gold. I'm going to delete variate, and I'm going to click on here, and I'm going to select gold, and then you want to add here necklace length. Okay, length. Okay, so as you can see here, guys, you don't need to add it here. Okay, if you want to add it, you can go to AliExpress and get all this information, or you can go to Etsy and see exactly what they are selling here. It seems like they didn't add this item length, so you just need to ignore it and then go to tags. Here tags are very important, so you want to add here, for example, let's say necklace, for example, here necklace, and then add something that is related to necklace. Okay, here materials, buyer's value, transparency, tell them what is used to make your item, so you can tell them exactly what it is used to create your item. Okay, you don't have to tell them exactly, this is just if you want. Okay, and here the shipping option, you want to click here on create option, and then you want to click here, it says shipping prices. I'll enter fixed prices manually. Now the country of region is going to be United States. Processing time, I always go with 1 to 3 days. The shipping service, I always go with the standard. Okay, I'm going to select here standard, or like FedEx home delivery, or I always use for example, let's go with FedEx. And what you'll charge, fixed price, which is $5. Okay, additional item also $5. Now click on apply. Okay, save as shipping profile. That's it. So after you finish, guys, what you guys need to do after you finish, you want to then list your item. Okay, so if your customers has purchased the item from you, then you can go to AliExpress and like take the address and buy the item. Instead of buying it for yourself, you buy it for the customer. Like instead of putting your address to get the item, you put there the address of the customer. Okay, I hope, guys, it makes sense. Now if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. If this video, guys, helped you, please drop a like, and like I said, go to the comments and tell me exactly what your questions are, and I will reply to you guys. See you guys in the next video.